Welcome back to the channel. So it is a new day, it is a new year. Last night was fucking shit. It was a series of unfortunate events. My trunk, as you guys saw, did not fit, and I really don't want to take the time to put everything back so that way I can put on this trunk. So I think I'm just gonna wait for tomorrow. I've talked to some of my really good friends. Shout out to UTH Performance. Shout out to my boy Jay Weeze. Shout out to my other boy JR63AMG for helping me out, answering my questions about parts and stuff. So this is going to be pause for a minute, but we have bigger problems to deal with. Today we're going to be working on the Lexus, and as you guys know, the last thing that we did to it was put the wheels on. Looks kind of nice. Right now we just need to lower the suspension. Look at that. Gee, that thing is crispy. Yeah, lower it and then fender roll it. But first things first, we have to change out the alternator. Yay! I got a 2-for-1 deal, guys. First the trunk and now my Lexus. It's fine. It's fine. So this light, oh shit. You see? She's dying. Battery light is on. That's the alternator. So she don't have any juice left, and I'm not doing that again because the battery might die. But the battery is a good battery, and I don't want it to just get drained even more so. So we're gonna take out the alternator. I've never done this. I watched a few videos. Hopefully I can do it. I'm pretty sure I can do it. Just gotta stay positive. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and show you guys how to get it done. I'll leave you guys a quick little rundown of it. So basically, to do the alternator, it's a few bolts. So real quick, if you can see, the alternator is right there. I have to take off that pulley, remove the belt. There are two 14 mils in the front. I have to remove this bracket to give a little bit more leverage. There's one more bolt down there, and then there's one behind where the manifold is, which is like a hidden bolt. That one I'm gonna have trouble with, as because of yesterday when I did the steering wheel swap. There was an is250 at the junkyard, and I was haggling it for a good minute, and I just couldn't get it out. So yeah, hopefully we have better luck today. But yeah, it's a new year. Hopefully we can get something done. What is this? I've never seen this. What is this? Toyota Motor Corporation authorized modifications. The following mods have been made. Something that had to do with an exhaust or something, because I can see carb, right? What the heck? Oh snap. What do we have here? It's a TRD is250. They never made that. Yeah. Whew. So first things first, I'm gonna take off all these cowling panels, and then I gotta disconnect the negative terminal battery. So I'm gonna set everything up, and then yeah, we're gonna get to it. New year, tackle the day. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we're just about ready. Took off all my plastic covers. Real quick before you start, make sure you disconnect your negative terminal. That way it doesn't, fry anything, because you're going to be dealing with electrical work right now. But yeah, basically there's a 14 mil that puts tension right here on the belt. So we're gonna take off the belt, then we can take off this pulley. That'll give us room to pull out the alternator through here. And what else? Gotta get rid of this bracket. So it's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Pop it, and then it'll give you some more space. There is 1 bolt down there, 2 14s here, and 1 back there. So the one that's really tricky is the one back there. I had problems with it at the junkyard, but we're gonna see if we can't get it today. So, alright guys, well, wish me luck. See you guys in a bit. Guys, so we got the belt off. We got the little things off, so we have a lot more play so we can get in there. Now to take off the pulley, the 2 3 bolts, and then we should be good to go. So see you guys in a sec.